In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about eBay dropshipping, like how you can find a supplier, what is the best supplier to start eBay dropshipping, how you can find winning products, how you can talk to buyers, every single thing that you think about. I am going to answer all your questions, and I'm also going to show you guys the best way to start eBay dropshipping. Okay, now I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years. I have done like $100,000 in sales, and I know guys what I'm talking about. I am not a millionaire, but you can make a little bit of money, like $3,000 a month or $5,000 a month using eBay dropshipping. Like, this is very easy, guys. This is the easiest business. I have done a lot of businesses, but eBay dropshipping is the easiest business you can do to start making money online. And I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about how you can start that. Now, the first thing, guys, you might be wondering, what is the best supplier for eBay? I'm going to say AliExpress. Probably a lot of you guys will say, okay, AliExpress only sells items only ships items from China. Now, like, the shipping time is going to be long. If you want to send the item to the customer who lives in United States, the shipping time is going to be like 15 days or 20 days. I'm going to say, guys, most of the buyers, I'm sorry, on eBay, they don't care about the shipping time on the items, because they just want to find the cheapest items possible. That's all you want to know, guys, about, like, that's all you want to know. Like, I'm sorry, that's all you want is the cheap price and a good quality product. They don't care about the shipping time, because that's my experience. I have been, like I said, doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years. Like 99% of the people, they don't even ask about the shipping time. They wait until the item is arrived to their house. Now, like I said, the reason why you need to use, guys, AliExpress is the profit margin. Of course, that's why I am telling you guys to use AliExpress. Is the profit margin is very high. Like, probably you will make like most of the time I make like 30%, 40%, sometimes 100% profit. Like, sometimes I sell an item for like, the item on AliExpress is $20 and the item on eBay is 100. I sell it for $100. So that's exactly, guys, why I tell you to start eBay dropshipping with AliExpress. So the first thing, you want to create an account on AliExpress, and then just use your Google account or anything like that. And after you sign up, after you sign up for AliExpress, they are going to give you $3 for free. As you can see, $3 for free. And then you on your first item, like when you buy an item, AliExpress will reduce the price by $3. Like, if the price of the original item is $4, you are only going to pay $1 for your first item. That's the beauty of AliExpress. Now, if you want to start, guys, eBay dropshipping, like I said, don't even waste your time on any other suppliers. I have tried them all. They don't work. AliExpress is working 100%, and it's the biggest website in the world after Alibaba. Like, Alibaba is the same. It's just Alibaba, they sell like they don't sell pieces. Like, they don't sell one item or two items. They sell like a lot of quantities, like 200, 150. But on AliExpress, you can buy one by one. Okay. Now, what you need to do, guys, to find a winning product on AliExpress is you have to find any product here. Okay. Now, I'm not going to show you how you can. I'm going to show you how you can find that later. I'm just going to tell you guys some mistakes that you are going to make. For example, now, after you list the item, make sure you collect, make sure you do the maths. Like, you make sure you see the profit. Just enter eBay. eBay profit calculator. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Click on it, and then here, sold price, like the price that you are planning to sell the item on eBay. For example, $30. Shipping charge, how much you are charging the buyer. I'm going to charge them $1. For example, shipping cost you are paying on AliExpress is $1. The item cost on AliExpress is, for example, $50. Okay. And the profit, as you can see, total profit is $10. So you are going to make $10 whenever you sell a product from AliExpress. Like, compared to other suppliers like Amazon or Lowe's, or the profit margin is really low. Like, you will get bored with dropshipping on eBay. I was trying to use Lowe's, and the profit is like 10%, 5%, because there are a lot of competitors who are using Lowe's compared to AliExpress. There are less people who know AliExpress. Most people they don't know AliExpress. Like, they don't know that you can start dropshipping on AliExpress. Most people they don't know that you can use AliExpress as a supplier on eBay. Now I'm gonna show you guys other mistakes that a lot of people don't do. Is make sure you find like competitors. Like, I made a video about how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress, like how you can find a winning product on AliExpress easily. I will leave a link in the description for that video. Just click it and then you will find the product, and then you can start selling. Now after you find a winning product, you just want to click sell in the top here, in the top right of your eBay, and then you want to select here, tell us what you are selling. What you need to do, guys, you want to copy the title and paste it here. And then what you need to do, guys, you want to click search, and then you want to click continue without much. And then here on AliExpress you can find the specifics, for example the size of the item, everything you need to know, guys. You will find it here, as you can see in the description. You just want to scroll down a little bit, and then you will find here specifications, and then you will find here the function, the shape, pattern, module, everything you need to know, like specifics. Now, first you want to download this extension. It's called AliSave extension, AliSave AliExpress. Okay, this is the extension AliSave plus download AliExpress images. Now you want to download this extension because whenever you click now on a product on AliExpress, it will give you the download button here. As you can see, this main images, click on main images and the downloads will be started. As at the very bottom left, you will see here the photos are going to be downloaded, so that you can list the item with these pictures on eBay. Now guys, after you download all these pictures, you just want to, now the most important, guys, thing to start dropshipping on eBay is to find a winning product. You know now, guys, everything, it's not that complicated. Don't complicate things, guys, with your mind. The eBay dropshipping is the easiest business. Like I said, you just want to find a winning product. That's all you need to do, guys. I made a video about that. Just click the video in the screen and you will be able to find winning products in a few seconds, and then you can start right now. I want you guys to start right now eBay dropshipping because it's the easiest business. Click the video in the screen right now and drop a like on this video and start your journey with eBay dropshipping just like I did. See you guys next video.